back here through Carpenter, and Umberger going to make contact. Caution flag going to come out.
To the outside, he is your current PPM Racing Products, and the last time we were here, Tyler Arrington has won here. He'll be starting on the outside, up Brandon Fouts. AJ Hickson at number 10 will be in the third spot. Brayson Fulton will be in that number 6 machine. He should be scheduled to start. Okay, he is on the inside of row number 3. To the outside, it'll be Bailey Lowe. Actually, yeah, we're good. You'll have the number 19 be Matthew Porter, and Anthony Carter will be leading us out throughout the field here tonight. All cars will make it to the show. 8 laps gonna be the distance. It's time to end it all right here. It's time to get down and dirty in some heat race action. Brandon Fouts gonna lead them to the middle of 3 and 4. Arrington to the outside. Side by side, door to door. Green flag is in the air, and Fouts is gonna lead them to the green. Brandon Fouts going to lead him out to a good early lead in turn 1 and 2. Bailey Lowe washes up on the outside in turn 1 and 2. That'll allow Brayson Fulton to the inside. They go down to the bottom shelf. Tyler Arrington takes it a peek through the inside of Brandon Fouts. 1 out of 8 completed as Tyler Arrington looking for that race lead. He's right behind the number 1 of Brandon Fouts. Fouts makes his way to the middle of turn 3 and 4. Tyler Arrington loses a little bit of them right there out of 4 as they're single file at lap number 2. Fouts now starting to pull away with a 14.711. Tyler Arrington with a 15.020 as it's their last lap times of O'Reilly Auto Parts race number 1. So is Trevor Sides going to lead the Delaware double file in the middle of 3 and 4. He gets to take off by himself. Green flag is back out as we are back underway for the outside group. Heat race number 2. And what a start for the number 4, Ryan Smith. As Ryan Smith washed up a little too high to allow Josh Chesney to the inside. Smith and Chesney battle their way through the middle of 3 and 4. White flag in the air this time by. As Trevor Sides in the 73 is going to be able to continue to lead. Works the bottom in 3 and 4. Josh Deeds not going to get there. Ladies and gentlemen, Trevor Sides wins the outside group. He raced number 2. Josh Deeds, Ryan Smith, Joshua Chesney, Oscar McCown, Bryson Fleming, and Philip Ramirez will be your outside group. He raced number 2. Ladies and gentlemen, let them hear it for Trevor Sides. Alrighty, so our final PPM Racing Products heat race number 3. Zach Sides gonna lead them. Tyler Hoy to the outside. Darren Sloan, Keaton Smith, Steve Stallings, and Jack Terrell will lead them to the green. We're underway. Trevor Sides with a good lead. Tyler Hoy cut the nose off of Sloan. That's going to allow Keaton Smith and Steve Stallings. Stallings going to drop the hammer in 3 and 4 as he gets alongside of Sloan. Sloan's going to be able to beat him in 4. Zach Sides in a 9 gets awfully tight off a 2. Tyler Hoy sees the advantage. Gets the run in the backstretch into turn 3 and 4. New leader, it's going to be Steve Stallings, man, make a couple moves on the outside. We'll see what's going to happen as Tyler Hoy in the 71 is going to lead him. He left the door wide open on the inside as Tyler Hoy and Sloan now will move up to the second spot. Stallings now makes his way up to the third spot. Keaton Smith, now Zach Sides going to be able to battle his way down to the backstretch. Big run off of turn number 2 as Zach Sides able to clear Keaton Smith for that fourth spot. Tyler Hoy still clicking laps away with a 14.652, and Darren Sloan with a 14.975 down the backstretch here as we are just past halfway to go. Tyler Hoy took the lead after the mistake of Zach Sides as he continues on roaring. That's the number 71 rider. Tyler Hoy makes his way to the bottom side of the speedway, starting to pull away. 14.506 out last lap. 2 to go this time by. I see white flag. So as the number 71 of Tyler Hoy is going to be able to lead him down on the backstretch, you'll have the 99 of Darren Sloan as it's going to be the final time. Give him a round of applause. Tyler Hoy gets PBM Racing Products Heat Race number 3. Darren Sloan with a second spot. Steve Stallings will go for third. Zach Size, Keaton Smith, and Jack Jarrell will round out your field. As he makes his way around turn 3 and 4, Nathan Foss, I'm going to take a book out of you. Good luck in NASCAR, my friend. Tyler Hoy is your winner.